Hello everyone, so today we're gonna have a quick overview of these three amazing machines. They are different, but they have common themes. So they're all suitable for all cosmetic tattooing and permanent makeup technique. They all have a Swiss, powerful, reliable motor and also low vibration of the machine. And you can run your machine very low and you will deposit a lot of pigment. This machine also silent, and they all made with the medical grade materials. You can see from even one pass so much pigment inside the skin. This machine everything does for you. This machine leaves beautiful even pixels, even on beginning on the shading stroke. So it means it's very powerful and can penetrate any type of skin, even very difficult. So this machine is going to be perfect also for any type of cosmetic tattooing, permanent makeup, and even small tattoos. In some cases, 2 passes it's enough with this type of machine, because it also can speed up your work, so you'll finish your procedure faster. The battery can last up to 12 hours. The beauty of this machine that you can run even on the low voltage and will do beautiful work. And of course, less trauma, less swollen lips, and better color retention, and beautiful heel results. This machine has very comfortable weight, so all the weight in the hand. A very ergonomic design. You will not need any power supply or cords, just this little piece. So the stroke of this machine is 3 millimeters, and you can stick your needle out from 1.5 to 2.7 millimeters, so it's really long needle. You will enjoy this machine a lot. Okay, let's move on to another one. Bellar is very soft, it's very light and slim machine. So if you used to work with some slim devices like this, you will love it. The stroke length of this machine is 2.1, so you can stick the needle 1.5 to 1.8 millimeters. This machine is great for any type of cosmetic tattooing and permanent makeup, but especially great for the hair stroke and very detailed work, because you want to have something very slim and lightweight. So this machine also great for any lip type of work, like lipstick look, and then lip blush, aquarelle lips, for soft shading eyebrows, shaded eyeliner, classic eyeliner, and of course hair stroke and SMP. So this is the second pass, and you can see how much pigment inside the skin. So this machine is very gentle, it's not gonna cause a lot of trauma. So the weight of this machine, 2.36 ounces, it's 67 grams. A lot of my students try all machines what we have, and they love Bellar, and especially beginners, because they want to have something simple, very slim and lightweight. How fluffy and soft, I love it. Sinus, it was our first machine, and it's still very popular around the world. It has a lot of options to adjust. For example, we have an adjustable wheel if you remove the grip, so you can tune machine soft or hard. Also, this machine very unique because you can change the cam. So standard cam is 2.5 and additional 1.8. You can get also 3.2 and 3.7 on microbeau.com or darklove.com. Sinus is great for any type of work like eyeliner, shaded eyeliner, lips, eyebrows, hair strokes, scar camouflage, mini tattoos. We get a lot of questions about size cam and why we need to change it. So size of the cam will determine what procedure it will be great for this machine. So for example, smaller cam like a 1.8 is great for hair strokes. 2.5 is more universal, so it's great for any type of PMU procedures. It's about 134 grams. A lot of artists love Sinus because of versatility of this machine. This machine literally does work for you. It's so powerful. You don't need to put any pressure. You can run this machine on very low voltage and it will do a really good job. So as you see with any machine, you can create a good job. You see that they're all beautiful, but they all look different. With Sinus, it looks more fluffy, and with the Bellar, it looks more dense. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was very helpful and interesting for you. I will see you in the next one.